Come on. What do you want from me? 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 Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me, please. Please, I beg you, don't kill me, please. What have I done? What have I done? Oh. Your bleeding means nothing to us. Because we are out on a mission. Mission? Please, what mission? What mission is that? That is completely none of your business. Meanwhile, you may kiss your life goodbye. Don't give me. Don't give me. Don't give me. Yes. Snoring.
I can hear who snore from a distance. I think everyone is like you. You that will snore like an engine. That is terribly bad.
You see, one day we'll be sleeping and snoring, and your boat will drift to the sea without your parts. That day, I will know how you're going to manage.
Well, I know that's what you've been waiting to do. To sail my boat away and then I won't have something to use. Isn't that what you've been waiting for?
Chikere diura.
Udene de number. Appears you're leaving.
Yeah. Will you be at the village square tonight?
What occasion?
Egwom, of course. All the maidens will be there. Like inclusive.
Of course I'll be there.
Yeah, I know.
How about you?
I doubt I can make it.
Why?
I'll be very busy. Yeah.
Maybe some other time.
Enjoy yourself.
So?
Yeah.
Where is everyone?
They've all gone. You were busy sleeping and snoring.
Why are you acting as if you've seen a devil? I mean, I just hosted few of my friends with it. It's no biggie. You're worth more than that.
Will you shut off your trap? Shut up your trap! You stupid girl. Oh, I see. You are beginning to talk the part of a prodigal daughter. Shut up your trap. You see why I always say that women are the most stupid set of people on earth.
Please, there's no need for name calling here. I mean, you don't need to get worked up, okay? You know what, Dad? I don't have time for this. I had a long day. I need to go upstairs, freshen up, and get some rest.
How dare you make that statement?
Dad,
peaceful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest, many things living in it, the good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper, you cannot define. It has many faces.
Madam, he's fine.
Thank you. Darling, how are you feeling?
I'm better.
I'm sorry, Dad. I don't know what I would have done if I had lost you. Dad, I promise to replace your money. I'll do everything possible. I'll work so hard to replace the money if that will make you feel better. Please.
Your mother gave me so much joy and happiness while she was alive. May God bless her soul. I don't know why you've decided to be a thorn in my flesh. I don't know that we pass by without you giving me one form of heartbreak or the other. Mary.
I'm sorry, Dad.
I sent you to one of the best universities in Africa to get the best life can offer. But what I get in return is continuous heartbreak and near-death experience.
Dad, I said I'm sorry. Please.
Instead of thanking God for this lifetime opportunity so many people are looking for, you prefer to kill me instead.
Dad, please. That will never happen again. Please, I am sorry. Please. Please.
Now I will give you another chance to redeem yourself.
Thanks, Dad. Thank you.
The fish farm in the village needs a supervisor. You will go to the village and take charge of that business.
Please, not the village. Please, not. Grandma is a farm in the flesh. Please, listen. I promise to turn a new leaf. I promise to return your money. I'll be a good girl henceforth. But please don't send me to the village. I don't want to go to the village, Dad. Please, I beg you.
You remain there for now. I don't want to see you at home when I come back.
Darling, you know the last experience she had in the village. Please, anywhere else but not village. Anything you want me to do, I will do it. But don't send me to the village, Dad, please.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so.
Are you sure this is a good idea? You have a better one? What is wrong in us going wild just for one night? I mean, enjoying ourselves with friends and...
Oh my God. Okay, I understand. But my point is, if your father gets to know about this, what do you think he would do?
My father already appointed me CEO. Girlfriend,
I am the boss lady.
See you. Cheers. I give up. Boss lady.
You can say that again.
Life is good.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So, how are we going to plan that for Amiga to know?
Allow me.
Okay, boss lady.
Hey.
Mary, I'm talking to you.
Sorry, Mom. Did you say something? Oh, listen, Mom. I know what you're about to say, but no need to get yourself worked up. Know how Dad will find out.
How can you be so insensitive to think that he wouldn't find out about the money? Okay. How come I knew about it? Now tell me, what did you do with the money?
Party.
What?
Listen, Mom, you heard me. And please, I owe no one apologies. Please, if you'll excuse me.
I'm yet to understand.
You will kill me, you will kill me. Open your mouth. Next time, somebody help. Nobody is helping you. This is my people. Where are you ever? I will tell you. Naga the one had a kaluka. You will kill me. You will kill me.
Mama.
What are you doing? You will kill the woman, Mama. She will not die. Let me.
Leave her, Mama, please.
This woman.
Please, help me. Help me.
1 year. By the way, where is your father?
Father is fine. Can you come?
I want you to check this.
I
will leave you because of my granddaughter. But I forget.
For my sake.
Forget. Because I'm old. You don't know that. It will never come to that. Even at this my age. What can I tell you? You cannot travel. Eh?
You can go.
I'm going to prepare for you. Why did you not say it? Why did she not say it when she was on the ground? I can't continue. If for 1 year, anywhere I see her, I will fight her. If I will continue this fight. 1 year I say asale, I say whoa.
Mama, no. Aren't you too old for this?
Mbao.
You will break your waist.
It will not break. It will not break. And that woman gossips a lot. By the way, what have you come to the village to do?
Well, Dad said I should come and supervise his fish pond.
Hey, whoa. This way. Hey, he's on 1 year. He's on. I didn't even know when you were driving.
Because you were busy pounding her like cocoyam.
Cocoyam, no way.
Oh, Anuku, please stop. You are not that strong again for this. You should be resting now, please.
Go and bring your bag.
Okay.
You are still very strong, Mama.
I hate gossips. Ndi asele. For 1 year. I want to be for. Oh, he's on 1 year. Because I'm now old, she thinks I cannot fight again on you. Yes. Forget to. Obro no. Come on. No. Anybody that gossips will win yours. Nonsense.
Uche! Uche!
Sorry, I wasted your time. Sorry.
Just the way I like it. Fish pepper soup. My favorite.
Hey, brother. If all the fishermen will love fish the way you do, we are going to be afraid in this village. Oh.
Afraid of what?
That one day, all the fishes in this river will migrate from our own river to the others, leaving us without any. But it's not going to be nice, because you know I love fish.
Is that what you mean? That's not possible.
It's not funny. Or should I remove this one and go and bring Apple for you?
This one is very okay. Perfect. Uche, move. Why, man?
See, do you know I was at home? And something keeps telling me your friend is... that your friend is actually at home. Why don't you... He said it! This particular aroma is not just ordinary. This is not the way this compound used to smell before. Fish pepper soup.
Fish pepper soup?
Yes, yes. You have it. I want to follow the aroma.
You come back here. Uche!
So, all this for one person?
Not just one person, but Chikere, my love. There is nothing that gives me joy than him.
But I don't think he sees you the way you are seeing him. Yes, like the last time. He was acting like a brother to you, not like a man who is in love with a woman. You understand that sort of a thing?
Then your head must be in the cloud, because everybody else sees us that we are in love, except you that see a python on top of the palm tree. Don't worry, Oge Meginanya. Do you know the other day, the sister even asked me, why haven't I accepted her brother's proposal?
Really?
See there now. See, the love I have for him is not of this world at all. And there is no one that will come between us. Nobody. Nobody will take him away from me.
Nega, did you put anything on the fire?
Hey! Hey, Joko. The soup. But how he came into here.
And you are making up. And you're here doing so much makeup for one man.
just neighbors. I'm just enjoying the night.
Okay. It's coming. My God, he's here.
Control
He's
yourself.
coming.
So why didn't you tell me you were here already?
I'm sorry. I wanted it to be a surprise. But don't worry. Some other time I'll call you, okay?
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Just take it.
Mama, where is that drum sound coming from? Sounds like there is festival somewhere.
You say Egwu.
Egwu. What is Egwu? What does it mean?
Moonlight dance. I'm still trying to figure out how grown-ups cannot allow others catch some sleep at night.
But Mama, it sounds like fun. I mean, I wish I was there. This is the real village vibes.
Mary,
Mama,
if you want this house to contain two of us, please don't go anywhere close to that place. You can call your father and ask him, because I'm sure he will still have memories of that place. I mean, memories of the lessons he learned. Do you understand?
Yes, Mama.
I want you to concentrate on the reason you came to this village. You take care of your father's fish farm and nothing else. Okay, Nano?
Yes, Mama.
Eat. I'm even tired. Eat and clear these plates.
Darling, you know how difficult your mother can be. Mary will not survive in that village. Honey, I want you to bring her back home. I believe she has learned a hard lesson.
You are so soft on Mary. That made us lose control over her. Also, she had every liberty and freedom, which resulted to her arrogance and recklessness. My mother is the only woman that can put Mary to shame. Allow her to be there for now.
I don't think that's such a good idea.
Trust me, everything is going to be okay.
Alright, if you say so.
Please go and get me water. Go and get me water.
Oh, yes, so thank you. Yeah. Alright. Hey, like we discussed inside, why did you even think that I'm overprotecting her? Oh, come on. Why did you even think of such?
No, it's not what you think. It's because you are not letting her father to knock sense into her.
Oh, come on, my friend. I'm only being a mother. I don't want it to look like I'm pushing her away, you know?
I can only advise you.
I understand, my darling. Random thoughts. You wouldn't blame me. I have to leave now. We'll talk about this some other time, okay?
Okay.
You take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Where is Mama? I've not seen her this morning.
Have you forgotten today's Nkwo market?
Oh, that's true.
She's gone to market now.
Oh, how could I have forgotten? Where is the kitchen laptop?
Mama did though.
Why? I mean, she should have waited for me to wake up first. Or did she bring out my food?
See, sister, Mama is angry at you for going to Egwanwa yesterday night after all her warnings. You should thank your God she should not pour you water in that bed though.
No, but she should have known I'm grown up. Am I not big enough to know what I like?
Fine. If you're grown up and you cannot stick to her warnings, all right. Yeah, they go for hunting, though. As you can see. See you next Friday.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. For a change in life, we go through processes. For a change in life, sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, wherever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. Just be careful. Life is so mysterious. Be cautious of life. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious.
What a day. Oh yeah. We're here now. We have to go straight to the express and sell off these remaining ones.
No, not this one. Mazin Badiwe already paid for them. Moreover, the express is not somewhere I like to go. It's dangerous.
Dangerous? Are we going to stand at the middle of the express? Of course, no. We are going to make a better money there.
You go ahead and make better money. This one belongs to Mazin Badiwe. That's it. He already paid for them.
Alright, if you say so. Let's go.
I know you will love the hair.
Yes. How did you know that Chike will ask you to marry him?
Didn't you notice the way he was looking at me that night? Maybe I guess you were occupied with a lot of things in your mind.
Occupied with what? Anyway, my friend, please remember me in your paradise.
No, nobody's coming into my paradise. You better look for someone and build your own.
I see you have it all planned. That no problem now.
Before, uncle, should I be waiting for you?
Hey, see friend though. See someone I called my friend. Easy, your hand is spinning.
Sorry.
To avoid headache.
Sorry
Small,
now.
small.
I just want you to be beautiful. You know what I'm talking now?
Yes, it's fine, but small.
See now, see how beautiful the hair looks on you.
Thank you. Neka.
Oh, combo! What are you calling me? You only call me each time you see me holding things like this. But unfortunately, this one belongs to Mazin Badiwe. No fish pepper soup for you. To surprise you, I'm not a fan of fish. Oh. This way you are talking, you're just wasting your time. I don't even like fish. Seriously. You don't know. Is this cat's fish? It's smoked fish.
wrong with you village boys standing along the road?
What is wrong with you cities girl? Driving like a stupid fellow. Does this place look like an expressway? Can't you take it easy? What if there were children playing on the road? That's how you hit one of them and you say who are these village boys?
See, you are stupid. Listen, both of you should learn how to stay out of harm's way. Rubbish.
Look at this one. Just let me teach this thing a lesson. Or because you're wearing red and red or what? What's our problem? Teach this thing a lesson. Let me teach this idiot a lesson. She almost ran us over. Leave she. You'd have allowed me to teach that stupid, rude girl a lesson. Hey, Chikere, your problem is that you don't know how to teach. Do you know her? Do we know her? Does she know we? You just want to teach her a lesson. See, that girl you are seeing is the daughter of Odogu. Her grandmother is the tiger, a fighter, troublemaker. See, if the grandmother decides to deal with you, before Odogu will come down to you, you'll be left with nothing. So, my candid advice, leave her alone. Because, well, she should learn how to drive inside the village. This is not an express road. Moreover, she should learn to respect her elders. Okay, can you just allow her to hers? Please. Allow her to be.
Wait,
now look at what she has done to my fish. The life is not yours to take. What? Are we not going to some place? Don't you trust me again? I don't trust you when it comes to fish. This is not the right direction. Let's go straight. You are making me too much. I trust you.
You see, you.
No, it is still okay. At least, if you marry Chike, I'll be having enough supply of fishes.
There is no free fish for you. I will make sure you pay for all the fishes he gives to you. After all, by then, he would have paid my bride price.
Okay now. Okay. But see, when is he coming to indicate his interest?
We have not discussed about that yet. But I'm sure very soon. Well, you can grumble all you can, but very soon he will come and marry me. He's going to come and marry me. And all my enemies will bow.
Sister, I am not your enemy now. I'm your brother. Subu Gakalia.
This world is full of surprises. Imagine Richard of yesterday, all grown up.
Not a big boy, you.
I'm still surprised. When did you return to the country?
Last week. I actually came back last week. You know, it has been very, very, very tough for frontliners like us. Very, very tough. Thank God for everything. At least the borders are now open, so I came back last week.
We saw that. It was really traumatic. But we pray for God's protection. You're highly welcome.
So, where is Mary? I have been looking forward to seeing her.
Mary is fine. She wants to spend some time with her grandmother in the village. She will soon be here.
Okay, I see. I can't wait to meet her.
Oh, sure you will. We will inform her of your arrival.
All right, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
So, how are your parents?
Yeah, fine. You know, my mom always traveling from one country to another.
All right. So I have to take my leave.
Oh, let me see your
bad.
Thank you so much. It has really been long at seeing your mother. She's always traveling from one country to another. And I kept asking how she manages.
Well, you know, these are non-governmental organizations really keeping her busy. And you know my mom, she has always dreamt of becoming a humanitarian ambassador.
And your father, he doesn't complain. Ha! My dear, if he was my husband, a single day out of this house, he would be screaming for.
I understand. But you know, as they say, you hardly know what is in the man's heart. I know my father is always busy, but at the same time, I know he's always lonely.
He should. He should.
That reminds me.
Yes.
What is Mary doing in the village when you have better opportunities in the city? And moreover, all the offices are in the city.
Well, her father wants her to get acquainted with other divisions of the company, you know. I guess it's for the future purpose of our business empire. You of all people must know this.
Oh, you're right. You're right. That's true.
All right, dear. Send me word to your parents.
It's all right, I'll do that.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks.
Take care, dear.
Thank you.
Has many faces. You cannot define it. Life is deeper with many angles.
You know, he just returned.
Okay, I know.
Mary has changed.
What do you mean Mary has changed?
Okay, let me use a better word. She's wild. Like, she's a terror. You know, since she became the CEO, you know, she has been fronting herself before everybody in the city.
Well, the Mary I knew before I traveled out of the country is the Mary I fell in love with. Moreover, both of you were never friends. We were never on the same page.
I know, but just take my message. I'm the one saying it.
Anyways, it's alright. Thank you for telling me. That is not why I'm here. I came here to confirm if you've inquired about that property.
Yeah, sure. It's ready.
Alright.
Like I was saying, it's not all about
Yes, Mama.
What are you still doing? Eh? You should have finished the soup a long time ago.
I know, Mama. Just that I noticed that the firewoods are not so dry. But Mama, don't worry. Very soon the food will be ready. Oh?
Okay. I think I will take off from here. You have to run an errand for me. Oh?
Oh, Mama, I'm tired though. And I need to see someone after cooking this food.
Hey, we are saying the same thing. Eh? Hurry to Wanyeke's house and see if she's back from the market. Oh, I asked her to get me some things. You need to stand up. Stand up, oh my child. Oh, look at her.
Mama, I will not come back here and start cooking this food again.
Oh, Director General, go and get me what I asked you to get. Eh? Hey! Oh, Mazikita, you know, who got Basha? Eh? I'm a noya, are we here to anything? Now.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. You cannot define.
Mama,
this food is very delicious. How is it possible for food to be this tasty?
That is one thing you people are missing in that your city. Cooking with firewood and some local ingredients.
Oh, where? Hey!
Don't worry. Before you leave, you grow very fat. You add a lot of weight. Yes.
Mama, please. I don't want to get fat. I want to lose weight. Do you want men to reject me? Can borrow Nayano?
Wow. Who can reject you? Nobody. Take meat. Oh?
Mama, I don't want meat. I think I'm full, in fact. Let me just finish this one.
You need meat, no? If you don't eat, I'll put it in your mouth.
Okay, I'll eat.
Okay.
Thank you.
No. There's one more meat too.
Mama, eat that one.
I'm okay.
Delicious.
Only God knows and understands the heart of man. You cannot define. It has many faces. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melune chea. Obi mada joka, sochi maraya. Life is deeper. You cannot define.
Who do we have here? A pretty damsel in distress, I suppose.
Please. Guys, please. I don't want trouble. Please, I just... My car broke down. I just want to fix it and leave quietly. Please, I don't want trouble. Please. No. Don't you dare touch me like that again. Else, I will slap you across your face. Don't try it.
Don't slap me. Don't slap me.
Like I said, I just want to fix my car and leave. I don't want trouble. No!
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change.
I'm not going to harm you. Are you alright?
Yes. I'm fine. Thank you for coming to my rescue. I didn't know what else to do.
How did you get into their hands?
My car packed up in the middle of nowhere. That's how I was caught in between.
Where is your car?
Along the road.
Take me there.
So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy.
Oh, goodness. Eh? Oh, baby. What happened to you?
Mama.
Nah. What happened to my daughter?
Mama, she was attacked by 2 boys.
Attacked? By your native? Where are they? Let's go. Take me there.
Mama.
Let's go.
Mama, I got there on time and I was able to rescue her.
Yes, Mama. He was there on time. Mama, he saved my life. It was such a horrible experience.
Nah, thank you. God bless you. May you never be attacked.
Okay, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Nah. Did they hurt you? Are you okay? Hey.
Mama should be fine. I'll be on my way now. And as for her car, I'll look for a mechanic to fix it. I'll bring it tomorrow.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Chikere.
Chikere, thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, take.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mama. So first thing tomorrow, I'll bring the car.
They did not hurt you, okay?
No, Mama, like he said, he was there on time.
What is it? What is it?
Where do you think you're rushing to like this?
Where does it look like I'm rushing to? If I catch that girl, trust me, I'm going to deal with her. What does she think she is?
I thought you're wiser than this. If I didn't tell you about seeing them, would you be running wide like this? You don't even know her.
And who told you I don't know her? I know her grandmother. That money misrode. Troublemaker.
My dear friend, calm down. You're a lioness. I expect you to observe the situation before throwing yourself in the ring. We're not even sure if they have anything to do together.
But you said you saw them in a position that shows that something went down, right? I will so deal with her today. I will tear her into pieces.
Calm down. Relax. Wrong move. Let's go back home. Let's go. Let's go. When you want to fight, you fight a good battle, Mama.
Mary, tall, bright eyes, white teeth, girly. I just can't wait to.
Welcome back.
What?
No, what? So what is the thank you you're supposed to tell me for bringing you back from the land of the spirits? Huh? Are you mad? Huh? Are you my wife? Are you my twin brother? Are you my mother? Why you always disturbing me? Yes, we're friends, but friends should have time for each other. And look at the way you just distracted me from my beautiful moment.
What's no moment?
Just look around you. Where did you see anything that looked beautiful here? That is by the way. See, I just came to tell you that I have a very, very good news for you. And for you to advise me on the next step to take. Then and only then I can allow you to enjoy the evil spirit that is just running marathon race around your head.
Okay, can you just listen to yourself? Isn't it obvious that you're stupid? It's your good news, and then I have to advise you. How does that connect? All right, let's talk. I'm listening. Guess. Guess. Guess it. Well, I can't guess now. You said you have good news. Tell me. Let me take my time. Okay. You know Adugo, the girl I told you that I was crushing on all this while. She waved at me today. Like this. So. This story just started. Are you out of your mind? How you doing? We're not friends again, so I cannot bring my stories and share with you. Haven't you been sharing things?
And then? What is even wrong with you? Are you out of your mind?
Don't we share things together? We share stories, we share fish. Can't we just share good news of somebody that waved at me?
What are you talking about? Is this the reason you called me back from my beautiful dream?
Oh no. No, we move. You are not dreaming, my brother. Look at it. How can you be dreaming? Where are you asleep? No. Are you sleeping now?
Okay then. Friends have connecting time, they have disconnecting time. Now is the time to disconnect. Go home, I want to go and sleep.
Hey! Hey, my gosh! Oh. I just want to bring your attention. I'm okay. Onyembu. Don't ask me again.
So, that girl is actually Chief Odogu's daughter. Wow. You know, that was the first time I saw her in flesh and blood.
She doesn't normally come home like that. Because as I heard, she manages her father's business in the city.
Oh, I cannot say why she's at home at this time. Or
what? I don't care. It's none of my business. Okay? All I want is to pluck out her eyes. I mean, why can't she just stay back in her city than come here to take our men?
And speaking about men, my dear friend Ineka, men are very willing fellows. And Chikere, he will fall for her charms. She has a car, you don't even have a bicycle. Yes, do you have a bicycle?
See, Chikere has known me for a very long time now. Do you understand? I mean, she cannot just fly in from anywhere and destroy everything we have built together. It's not done. Because she better not think of it. If she does, I'm going to fight her with the last drop of my blood. I'll do that.
She has money. Bear that in mind. A man like Shikiri, he will fall like a pack of cards for her.
Yes, he better not. He can't even try it.
Wait for me now. Where are you living? Neka.
Sister, why is your face looking so gloomy?
Is it not some people? They want to try me in this village. People that will not keep their hand one place.
Who must have taught the tiger's tail?
I don't know. One girl like that, they say she's Chief Odogu's daughter. Now she's planning to take away Chikere away from me. I don't care. But nobody takes Chikere away from me. I'll not take it from anybody.
So sister, you want to fight another girl? Because of Chikere, who has not declared his interest on you?
Shut up. What do you know? It's like this Uche you're licking is getting into your brain.
Well, actually, it is entering my brain. Well, come. You told me that Chikere loves you and wants to marry you. Why are you now blaming my Chiku? Of that? Why?
I don't blame you, Bushman.
Okay.
Honey, we really need to do something.
What is going on?
We need to bring our daughter back to the city. Didn't you hear that recently she was attacked by all these village hoodlums? Honey, are you even listening to me?
If you're suggesting you bring Mary back to this house, as it stands, you will not have my attention.
Honey, please. We're talking about her safety. I believe she must have learned her lessons. So please, lift the sanctions.
Nobody tells me how to discipline my daughter. Like I said earlier, Mary will remain in the village with my mother until she understands life. Not like she's lacking anything. I put her to be in charge of the fish pond, and she has been submitting her report as expected. She has so many distractions here in the city. Let her remain in the village. It's the best for her, so as to save her from distractions.
If you don't want to do something about this, then I will join her in the village.
You will do not sweat him. You do not sweat him. Not in my house.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so.
Mama said you should come inside and sleep. It's getting cold already. Brother.
Huh?
It's like you're having the best of your life in this room. Hey, you were lamenting how you want.
I heard you.
What's her name?
I don't understand. What do you mean by what's her name?
Yes. Because I know it's only a girl that will make a man, that will keep a man awake by this time, and you'll be doing ooh here like what I don't know. Is it Neka? You tell me now, your sister. I want to tell anything.
Mind your business.
Who's doing this to my brother?
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. My brother was behaving like someone in love. You need to see him.
In love? What? I thought he's in love with Ineka.
Are you sure? Something tells me it's not Ineka. Yes. You know that kind of a look a man has when he meets a new girl. That's my brother's picture right now.
A new girl?
Yes.
Are you trying to say he met another girl?
No, he didn't tell me that. You know my brother can be secretive. That my brother. I even tried to force him to tell me why he was smiling, but he refused. That my brother.
Anyway, he has been spending so much time with Odogu's daughter. And with what you just told me, I think something is going on between the both of them.
Who is Odogu's daughter?
The one that you know now. Please, let's go to the market.
I told my brother that I was going to find out. Odogu's daughter, you said.
Mama, good morning.
How was your night?
Very well, Mama. I'm rushing to the pond to check this morning's supplies.
Is it not too early? Eh? It's too early. Go and look for something to eat first, oh?
Mama, I will as soon as I come back. I have to rush to that pond. If I'm not there for the morning supplies, the record will not be straight. And you know your son, my father, he does not joke with money.
Like his mom.
So, I have to be on my way now.
Alright. So where do you
Oh, take care of yourself.
You're not carrying your motor.
No, Mama, the pond is not far from
Hey, please let's start going now. I can't wait. Let's go now.
Yeah, Obina. This one you didn't greet me. Am I that small that you did not see?
Eh? Yeah? Kichi. And what law states that I will greet you first? Or don't you know that women are supposed to be submissive to men?
So who is the man? Are you the man?
A grown man who is capable of fathering a child.
This your brother is becoming too rude. I don't blame you. I blame myself. Anyway, one day is one day. You will see.
And what will happen? Eh? Nkechi, what will happen? All you come here to do is to gossip all day. I'm not sure if your mom knows you are here.
Enough! Enough of this your insult. Will you get inside before I take this your arrogance personal?
Sister Blockbuster case me fell. No be like this, so I dey talk my own. No be like this.
What is even wrong with you?
I no go come here to give
Tell him again.
Hey! I don't like am.
I don't blame you.
This is too much. It's too much. Is it because I'm coming to your house? What kind of nonsense is that? This is your stupid brother.
I'm sorry.
You startled me. That's not funny, you know.
Sorry. I sighted you from afar, so I decided to do a quick one on you. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. So, what are you doing here? Is your house close by?
No, but not too far. I live somewhere around.
Okay.
You're walking alone. Where are you going?
Yes, I'm going to the fish pond. I want to monitor the supplies this morning. If I don't, the workers will play a fast one on me, and my father will not be happy with me. I mean, my records will not be straight.
You have a fish pond. I mean, your father owns a fish pond. Why will anyone own a fish pond when we have the biggest river in this community?
Well, my father has his reasons. Besides, we have neighboring villages, communities coming to buy from us. My friend, everyone will not be a fisherman. Besides, the world has gone digital. Things are done digitally these days.
Okay, please, can I come with you?
I don't think so. I mean, I wouldn't want to disorganize your plans today. Besides, what are you doing here? You said you're a fisherman. You're supposed to be in the river catching those fishes.
I woke up very early. I did everything I wanted about fishing today, so I'm free. I'd like to come with you. Please.
You're welcome.
So, fish.
Yes.
You like fish?
Yeah.
You eat fish?
Hello.
Go, chicken for me. Be fast. Bapioso.
Okombo, good morning.
Good morning. Go. Call your brother for me.
My brother is not around. He left early.
Early too, like on Eh? I don't understand. I've been to the stream. He was not there. Now to his own house, and you're telling me he's not at home. How? Okay, where did he go to?
Okombo.
Eh?
It's not my brother's right to tell me whenever he's going and where he's going. Am I my brother's wife? No, I am not. He has the right to go out and come in whenever he wants. I don't know.
Please, I don't have this time. Sisi, please just go inside the house. Borrow me 500 naira. When your brother comes back, tell him to pay you back the 500 naira. He's my friend because I have important thing to do with 500 naira.
I don't have it. Chacha. Kobo, I don't have. Thank you.
I just asked you money. You didn't even check. No such anything. You just sit here like full stop and tell me that you don't have money. Is that the way you behave?
I don't have it.
Hello.
Kobo. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Am I communicating?
Yes, sir. Odiro.
Like you don't get what I said in English.
No, I don't have.
Because bani me. Chotoron 500 in a here use kita. Can we make head mo kempa? Because match up young mo one nigga work konya chicken.
Okombo. Okombo, please go. I am very busy. Go and look for something better to do for yourself this morning, okay?
Oh no, I don't move like that. What are you saying? I just asked for 500 naira. You did not even check inside.
And I said I don't have Inatu Susu here. Eh? Inatu Susu, by any time you want money, you come and take. Okombo, go because I'm busy.
Uju, a voice is telling me something. A voice just said you should go inside behind the cupboard. That cloth you removed yesterday. Go to the back pocket. You see 500 naira folded. What will tell me?
Italiano. Because you go do. I'm very busy now. Can you hold this early morning? I don't have. I don't tell that thing that is telling you that is not here. Even if I have, I will not give you. Biko.
Next time, you know to beans. Don't go and cook just 2 cups of beans. You don't know if you have a wanted visitor.
Because here is a Emily restaurant. Let's go, job because he is Tommy. Chida funny. Not just a big alien. You're looking for 500 naira to go and do mama put this morning. The quite fair. Olini, Chid. She can't give you 500 naira. 500 naira. And you gave me money to keep for you. And I will go home.
Ogo wati adio. Ego watu wana no na mandia neze. Okombolistic Okombo.
Chick, where is he? I've been to his house and he was not there, so this is the only place he's supposed to be.
Of course. You can see he's not here.
Oh, you're looking orange. Ooh, whose species is this one?
Otondo, an Okombolistic species.
Sorry, man.
Tell me you want to decorate than asking me this species.
This is not Tangerine.
It's Tanger.
It's okay. Please, when he returns, tell him that I can look for him. Okay?
It's okay.
No. Daddy.
My man! Before the war. Hey, give me that orange. I will let him know he stopped by.
Oh my goodness!
You are truly a fisherman. Right. Look at the way you were handling those fishes. I can't do that. My job ends at the desk. Thank you very much.
One of these days you're going to go down. You're not just going to touch it. You're going to take a bite from it.
No. No, I can't do that. I can't. Bravo. 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 What's going on?
Nneka.
Who is she?
Her name is Nneka.
Hey, you better keep quiet and stay out of this.
Just ignore them. Nneka, I need to meet my friend.
What do you take me for? A fool? We haven't set eyes on each other for days now. And you don't even care to visit. Only for me to find out that you have been spending all your time with this city prostitute.
What? How dare you? Please. Did you hear what she just called me?
No.
Are you nuts?
No, let her
Have you gone crazy? How dare you?
Please, Mary, please.
You know what, Chike?
Ignore.
I don't have time for this.
Ignore, please, Mary.
Walk away! Go back to your city Richie. Just look at her. Loser.
What is the meaning of this? What was all that for?
You're not even ashamed of yourself. Running after her because of her money.
Really? That's your conclusion? Do you know who she is to me?
Chikere. Mind you, we belong to each other. I gave you my virginity and I won't sit back and watch another woman snatch you away from me. It will never happen.
You also gave me this knife. You can keep it.
Whatever.
Hey! Nneka, you would have allowed me now. Let's disgrace this girl and rearrange her face a little bit.
Calm down, relax. No need to rush. Just relax. Relax.
Mary!
What?
How would you walk out on me like that? I have been calling you.
What would you have me do? Stand there and watch those village idiots slander me? Huh?
At least you could have taken it for my sake. You'd have stood by me.
Well, I don't meddle in matters that do not concern me.
Oh, come on. Mary. Why are you being so harsh on me? Maybe it's the right time to tell you this. Since I set my eyes on you, I have never been able to do any other thing without thinking about you. Every time I close my eyes, you're all I see.
Shh. You talk too much.
I have a surprise for you.
Okay, what surprise?
Come with me.
To where?
To somewhere.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things living in it.
Let's go.
Are we not there yet?
Not yet, but soon. Come with me.
You cannot define it. It has many faces.
What happened? No catch?
Not at all. And this is strange. I believe things will never be the same again.
Why do you say so? I don't understand. What do you mean things will never be the same again?
I believe there's an oil spill. Because I sent some activities up the river. Probably that has caused the whole fishes to move to another direction.
No, I don't think there's a spill. If there is, you would have seen dead fishes floating on top of the river. More so, the stench alone would have polluted the air.
Well, to me, I just believe time and season, we can always have catch. You know, sometimes we win, sometimes we lose.
Right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so for now, I want to take her for a little sail.
Oh.
Alright, I'll take you from here.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Oh, sorry. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Come on.
Oh, I'm scared.
Come on. Come, I'm here.
Enter.
Of course now. What do you mean you should enter? Come on, enter.
I'm scared.
Don't be.
Okay.
Yes, so now you sit. Sit.
I should sit.
Sit. Aha. You're safe. I've been doing this for years. Trust me.
What?
Trust me.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark. You leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious.
Where are you going with this thing? Leave the road. Step out of my way. I am not joking with you.
My friend, calm down. Calm down. This is not the best way to go about it.
What other way? I see. The only language some people understand is violence, big time.
Can we at least make a plan on how to go about this? You see, Shikiri, it's not what dying for. Calm down.
For how long am I going to calm down? For how long am I going to endure? Leave the road.
Hey,
leave the road.
Hey. My friend, come. Calm down.
I say leave the road. I'm not joking with you.
Calm down. Calm down. I'm your friend. I will not deceive you. Let me have it. Give it to me. Do you want to kill someone? Let's go. See, I will stop being your friend, though. I will tell you something you want to do otherwise.
Whether good or bad, nkonye melu nechea. Obi mada joka, sochi maraya. Life is deeper, you cannot define it. It has many
Mama, welcome.
Mama, welcome, ma.
Yeah, but what took you so long?
Mama, he took me to the river.
Yeah, the fish pond.
No.
River.
We went to the
river.
Then we sailed.
Yes, we sailed.
Sorry, Mama. Sorry, I came back late.
Now, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Say me well to your mother.
Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama.
I know you must be hungry.
Not in the real sense of it.
Let's go inside. It will make your body dirty. Let's go inside.
You cannot define it. It has many faces. You cannot define.
You are still not making sense to me, Mama.
That is always your way. Nothing else makes sense. Nekwanya, call your daughter back to the city.
You don't understand. Has she started giving you a problem? Has she started misbehaving again? No, Mama, no, Mama. Don't let your guard down. Don't be soft on her.
Okay, shut up. What is wrong with you? Don't tell me you are dumping your problems on my lap, so. Because if that is the case, I will just go to my own father's house.
Mama, I'm sorry. You see, I sent her to the village so as to separate her from her deceptive friends. And I made her to be in charge of the fish pond business. And I've been happy with her dedication and everything.
Odogu?
Yes, Mama.
Let me teach you something. Caging a woman does not make her yours. There is no long sermon, no Kambede. Come and carry your daughter, Biko.
That's all right, Mama. That's all right, Mama. I will come to the village first thing tomorrow morning. I might likely go back with her.
Say me well to your wife and my grandson. Bye-bye.
It's all right, Mama. It's all right, Mama.
Darling. Honey, is everything alright?
No. Are you ready?
I've been ready for hours, honey. Darling, are you sure you are okay?
No, I have not really been okay. My love.
Please, talk to me. What is wrong?
Let us go. Let's go. I'm okay. Let's go.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Mama, you're here.
Oh, no. Is this again?
Officer, what is the job?
Young lady, you're under arrest.
For what?
For the murder of one chick at Ejiofor. I'm afraid you have to remain silent. Whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Get out, let's go.
So you,
be fast.
You killed my own brother. You're going to suffer for it.
No.
Madam,
I don't know what they are talking about. I did not kill anybody. I'm not a killer. I'm not a murderer.
I said you should move it.
Nah, take it easy. She's not a killer.
Yes.
She did not kill anyone.
I did not kill anybody. Mama, she killed my brother. Let's go.
Don't embarrass yourself, please. Let's go. I'll be forced to push you. Let's go. Let's go.
Mama, don't let them take me away. Let's go. Mama, don't let them take me away. Mama, I don't kill anyone. I don't kill anyone, please. Mama, they're taking me away. I will deal with you. Mama, they're taking me away. Mama, they're taking me away. I'm not killing
Go, let me call your father. I'll call your father. Get the phone. Get the phone. Get the phone, Mom. Phone.
You have to come with me right now. Uche, you have to come with me.
Tell me now.
Chimo. Come on.
Obina, calamity has befallen our village.
Calamity what?
Yes.
Ogini before, what is it? Talk to me now, what is it?
There is no time for this. Now follow me.
Wait.
Follow me.
I am busy in the farm.
This thing you are doing here is not important. You better come and see things for yourself.
What is it?
We are finished, oh.
Calamity? Not possible.
Since it's a taboo for us to see the dead body of our brother Chikere or touch it, it is better for us to go to the next village and get some people there to help us bury him.
That is what we will do.
Okay, thank you.
It's right.
Let's go.
Chikere, what did they do you? Chikere, what did they do you?
Hey! I can't believe this. So Chikere is now dead. Wonders shall never end. Who could have done this to him? I mean, I can't even believe what I'm hearing. My sister, something strange is happening in this village. I pity her poor mother. That woman is really suffering. I wonder what she could be doing by now.
Wow.
We just have to be careful in this village. The villagers are very, very wicked. Very wicked. Village people. To fear. To fear.
I'm yet to understand.
She's my friend. And if there's anyone that should be here, that would be me. Do you think this will work? I mean, the police has refused to grant me access to see her. Yeah? The law says she's innocent until she's proven guilty by the court of law. See, the signing can't be today. We have to leave this signing till next week. Because I can't even concentrate right now. Yes, I can't. Thank you so much for understanding. Thank you so much. You have been helpful. Alright, thanks. Bye.
Good afternoon, Mama. Good afternoon, my daughter. Welcome. Mom, Biko, remind me who you are.
Sorry, Mama. My name is Lisa. I am Mary's friend. I heard what happened and that's why I'm here.
You're welcome, my daughter. My heart is very heavy.
I'm sorry. I understand what you're passing through. Please, Mama.
Come and sit down. Let me bring water for you to drink.
No, I don't need that. That's not why I'm here.
This must be a dream. Yes. Yes. It's a dream. One that I will wake up from by morning. Chikere will come by the house and take me to the river. No. Not the river. Not the river again. Oh. They said I'm going to die here. They said I'll die here.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows.
If the only 3 pieces they here, I beg some still they pot. Ma arrange and I know what waste time. I tell you, auntie wake up.
It has many faces. You cannot define it. Life is deeper with many angles. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melunechea. Obi mada joka, sochi maraya. Life is deeper. You cannot define it. It has many faces. You cannot define. deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest, many things live in it, the good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper, you cannot define. It has many faces. Be careful.
My friend, I want you to come with me. I say you should come with me. Move! I say you should move. I said you should move, my friend.
Where the good or bad,
that was how it all happened though. And since then, it has been hell on earth.
I know my friend is innocent. And there is no amount of blackmail that will work.
Blackmail?
I mean like she was framed up or something. And the police refused me audience to speak to her. That gives me concern.
Mbano, they cannot do that to her. Huh? They cannot. That was why I told my son not to allow her stay in this village. The people here are wicked. Huh?
Anyway, Mama, I will try my best for her.
Thank you.
Why are you thanking me? Mary is like my sister. And we're concerned about each other.
Hey, that is very good. Let me get you something to eat, Onwam.
There's no need. I'm fine, please.
Nobody comes to my house without eating something. Oh?
Okay.
No. Alright, ma.
Ukombo, how are you?
I can't believe my friend Chike is no more. This world is very wicked though.
Honestly, very, very wicked. You see, from the first time I set my eyes on that Mary of a girl, I knew there was something strange about her. Darkness all over her. All over her.
So you sensed it too?
Of course.
Hi. So Chike is no more. He's gone just like that. Is that fish roasted or cooked?
Cooked and roasted.
I like it.
Good, it's good you like it.
He did not even call me or ask me if I will eat.
Combo, do you care for some?
Yes.
Come and take.
Thank you.
Why not wash your hand, dear? Is that all? Is that where you're going to clean to put your hand here? Put it very well. What if I tell that I won't give to you? Hey. It's from here. Take it easy. Take it easy. Will you take the whole fish? That will you chuck you with all of Fanta.
Since night, tears. Just running down. Let me eat and see if I can just dry up my tears.
Sorry.
I've not eaten anything since.
You just said you don't like the fish. And you've been crying, now you want to eat the second round.
The chest is good. I can eat.
Take it easy, don't finish my fish.
tea house and off, ma. Next time, if you're drying fish, remember I put fresh pepper.
Is it for you or for me?
For us.
My only son, Chikere, where are you? Chikere, where are you? You left me in this lonely place. Oh, Beth, why don't you come and take me? Let me join my son. Get away! Oh, Chikere, please come back. Come back to your mother. Chikere, please come back to your mother. I've been looking for you everywhere, please. Please come back to me. No! No, Chikere, where are you? Chikere, come back to me. No! I want to go. Where is my son? Chikere, where are you?
Mama, what is it? Mama? Mama, what is it now?
I saw your brother here now. He was there looking at me.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, you're hurting yourself.
Chikere, please come back to me.
Mama, you are hurting yourself. Chikere is gone.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. I saw him now. My son will not die. My son will not die.
I'm promising you that whatever Chikere would have done for you. I am.
He's my son, no. My only son.
Mama,
he's alive. My son is alive. And I know he will come back to me.
Mama.
Oh, fire, mo. Chikere. Chikere. Where are you? My son, come back to me. Oh, your mother is missing you.
But had nothing.
Apologies. I do not want to be seen around, so as not to harass suspicions. Well, I am impressed with your job. Thank you.
Anything for you, my dear. What next?
Just be on the low. When everything settles, I will tell you the next move.
Detective, I have told you the whole truth. I have nothing to do with his death.
You were the last person seen with him before he died. Ultimately, that makes you the prime suspect. Don't you know that? You know? Hold on just a minute.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this.
What you have to say?
Oh, boy,
You want to scratch my car? You not?
What's it be your own now? Have you not seen my keke spoil for here?
Are you crazy? Are you shouting at me?
What
are you talking to me? Do you know the dust of who I am? Are you crazy?
Tule Joe! Tule Jare!
To say.
Okay. I know him. I recognized him.
Good.
But this happened last year.
I know.
It means nothing. I mean, you can't possibly hold this against me. I compensated this guy very well.
It means something. This means that you can do anything. See, let me tell you something. I can help you out. It's better you admit to this crime and get a very, very small sentence.
I'm innocent! I am innocent. I did not do it. I'm not a murderer. I'm not a killer. I loved Chike. I couldn't have possibly hurt him. I mean, officer, please listen to me. I'm innocent. I'm telling you the truth. Even my grandmother saw him the day he walked me home. I am innocent.
Lie! Shut up! You are getting your grandmother involved just to support your alibi, right? If you don't know, you better know. That young man was his mother's only son. And you killed him!
I did not kill him.
Stop!
God, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. God knows I'm innocent.
Thank you.
Mama, please stop doing this to yourself. Mama, Chikere is gone and no amount of tears will bring him back.
You sound as if it's easy. You don't know the pains I passed through in raising him. Do you know, life without him will be very difficult for me.
Mama, I know that. But Chikere would have loved to see us move on. And you know he's not always happy seeing you like this. Please.
You don't know.
Please, Mama.
You don't know the pains I'm passing through. Oh, Chibo. Oh, fire me, baby. Where are you, my only eye?
Mama, it's okay. Let's go inside and sleep. I am here for you, Mama. Please. Let's go inside and sleep. It's okay.
Chikere.
It's okay.
Oh, Mama,
it's okay. It's okay. Let's go inside and sleep. It's okay.
Abonye kamujuke ya Bikola pumo Achuwa kukomada Oli sabatala mosenye maka Eme choromonye
Are you still worried over Chikere's death? See, sister, you know, it is good we cry and mourn. But we have to cry and mourn like people with faith. Come on. Chikere is gone.
It still looks to me like a dream. Waiting for me to wake up. I cannot believe Chikere is dead. Why? He can't even hurt a fly.
Sister, everybody hurts fly now. See, sister, I'm not trying. I'm just trying to be funny, okay? I'm not trying to make you feel bad more, okay? But Chikere is gone. But see,
his mother is so heartbroken. Obina, he's an only son of Mbolungwa.
I understand. God will console her. In fact, his death got me thinking. And sister, I've decided to leave this village. Yes.
How?
Yes, sister. I have to leave this village. Okay, sister, come to think of this. If I should remain in this village, what if I remain in this village and something bad happens to me and I have not achieved anything, just like Chikere? Isn't this, sister? I have to leave.
Seriously, I have to leave. Time to go and help my life.
It will not work out. It will not work.
I support you.
It won't work.
It's okay, it's okay.
It will never happen.
No, please, it's okay, it's okay. We are not here to argue like market women. We are here to discuss about the recent events in the community. The death of Chikere. Chief Odogu, your daughter Mary committed a sacrilege. And above all, she desecrated the land. And she must go on exile.
Umunam, I stand on the existing protocol. My daughter Mary will not go on any exile until she is convicted by the court of law. You all know that she is innocent. And she is equally your daughter. Let us join hands and vindicate her. The killing of that young man must be brought to book, I assure you.
Thank you. I support you.
Well, we will not take any resolution on this matter. Since the police are still investigating, let us leave it till another day.
That is better. It is better like that. It is better like that.
Officer, how else do I explain this to you? We are fishermen, we only meet here at the river bank.
Okay. So, what do you have to say about his relationship with Mary?
Mary is a lady that is always around him. But from the last time I saw her, she looks like someone that is jealous and protective. You know, he met Nneka first, before Mary.
Who is Nneka?
Nneka is his first girlfriend. As a matter of fact, she has been in tears since the death of Chikere filtered into town. Officer, you people should deal with Mary. She should not go scot-free. She can't take laws into her hands because her father is rich.
Well, look, I've heard you. I think that will be all for now. Thank you for your time anyway.
Thank you, officer.
But if I still need you, I will still come to you.
It's okay.
Thank you. All right.
Onye ka mejọrọ biko gwanume emejọrọ m onye emejọrọ m onye.
Sorry. Are you Okombo?
Very, very well. A pleasant person not talking about me. See, okay? Now maybe Okombo. Okay. Anywhere for this village, anywhere where you ask of me. Ask them Okombo, that fat boy. Now me. Anything when say they do for this village, good. Now me. Bad, now me. Ask of me. So what you want my run for?
So I am Detective Okoro. My colleague, Ijoma.
I'm not Okombo.
What? What are you saying? They just said that you were Okombo. Why are you saying that Okombo?
No, slip of nose.
No, you don't have any problem. Don't worry.
No, not me. No, I'm not Okombo. I know the family people of Okombo.
Come on,
relax.
Relax. Come on, relax, chill. We are your friend.
Hey, you can be my friend.
Police is your friend. No, come on.
I'm not Okombo. I am Oko. Boy, my neighbor.
You are what?
Okom.
What is Okom?
Bomb is very good.
You are Okombo here.
Don't worry, come. Hey, where are you going to?
Stand right here. Stand right here. Stand right here.
Come on,
here. Come here. Stop here.
Ma'am, your granddaughter told us that you saw her and the deceased return home the day he disappeared.
What game is this officer playing? Okay, so you want an excuse to continue holding my granddaughter? Well, Chikere did not come back with her. I sent my granddaughter on an errand. She came back early. Do you understand?
Well, I understand. I think that will be all for now.
Wait, are you serious?
I'm very, very serious now. Does it look like I'm joking? If I'm joking, then it would have been a different thing altogether.
Wait. Are they after anyone that is close to Chikere? Because that's what it looks like to me.
Maybe Mary gave the police the names of Chikere's friends. That's why they're after us.
Are you scared? Or did you kill Chikere?
What did you take? Are you on cheap drugs? Who killed him? Like how? By who? Chikere is like a brother to me. What are you saying?
Then if your hands are clean, submit yourself to the police. Oh yes! If you're genuine, submit yourself to the police. So why are you running away?
Who are you? Huh? No, it's obvious I know my enemies.
Oh.
And you are one. I should submit myself to the... You're not doing well.
What is that?
That bush is shaking.
It's just a normal breeze now. It's just a breeze.
Not a particular place.
There's nothing like particular there. It's just a breeze.
I don't like breeze.
Hey, where are you running to? Hold on, we are not. Where are you running to, Okombo? Should I join him or?
So, why don't you believe her?
Makes no sense.
It's obvious.
See, when Mary was asked, she said her grandmother saw her and the deceased come back. And when her grandmother was asked, she said she sent her on an errand. Contradiction. I mean, it's contradicting. So I am suspecting that the old woman wants us to believe that our child is innocent. That's it.
But unfortunately, putting her in a tight position, don't you think that both of them might be lying?
Exactly my thoughts. See, I am yet to find out why she keeps on lying.
I think there's one way to find out.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So, how are you?
I'm fine. I just came to look around the river. We built so many memories around here. I can still hear his excited laugh anytime we are here to play. I miss Chikere so much. I missed him. Just when I thought...
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Okay. He won't like to see tears in your eyes. He won't be happy where he is, knowing that you're crying. Be strong. If not for anything, for him. Come on, be strong, please. It's okay. It's stop crying. Okay? So, let's take a walk. Alright? It's okay. Mama, talk to me. I don't know why you've suddenly gone cold. I told you Mary will come back, and I promise.
I don't know why you don't heed my advice. If you had listened to me, we wouldn't have been in this problem now. Huh?
Mama, you're not being fair to me. I'm equally worried as you are. I don't know why you're rubbing guilt all over my face. And it's not the best.
I'm sorry.
Let me go back to the city.
Go where?
I'm yet to understand who is behind this.
I guess I have to stop here. And I know you're better now, right?
Thank you so much. I'm much better now. At least you made me forget all my worries. Thank you.
You're welcome. Beautiful compound. Yeah.
What did you just do?
Isn't this what you've always wanted? Huh? Now that Chikere is out of the way, Kaibiendo will let us use this opportunity and enjoy ourselves.
Did you do it?
Do what?
Forget it.
That's okay, so tell me, when next time am I going to see your beautiful face again?
In your dreams.
Nneka!
I don't want to see your face in this compound again. Don't even come near me.
So live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is
All this doesn't make sense. Chikere almost married me if that girl hasn't arrived to deceive him. But Ude, why did he make such a move on me?
I need to tell you something. Chike, tell you something. Chikere! Please wait! I need to tell you something, please! Chikere! 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 Where is Chikere? What did you do to Chikere?
What did I do here, Mary?
Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Stay away from me! Stay away from me!
Someone is there to see you. Come on.
Richard!
How are you? How have you been?
You came!
Yes, I came. Your mother told me everything that's happened. That is why I'm here. But how come they've not assigned a lawyer to you? It is very wrong for you to still be here.
They said they will keep me here until the investigation is completed. But honestly, Richard, I did not do it.
I know.
I did not kill anybody.
I know. I know you didn't do it. But your father is very connected. He's influential. How come he has not made calls or pulled some strings? Huh?
Richard, we are talking about a murder case here. It's only the court that can decide my freedom.
Don't worry. That is why I'm here. We'll do everything possible to bring you out.
I trust you. I missed you, Richie.
I miss you too. I miss you.
Honestly speaking, Richard, I'm ashamed of what my daughter did.
Sir, I understand. But at the same time, she has not been proven guilty. Moreover, sir, she's your daughter, no matter what she has done. So all she needs now is a good lawyer. Not just a lawyer, good one, a son, senior advocate of Nigeria. One who is influential, who is connected, who can manipulate things, who can talk to the judge and they will discharge an acquittal.
You are right, Richard. You see, I have been reluctant over the whole issue. Notwithstanding, if you have an idea of how we can make this process work, always reach me.
Alright, sir. I'll make some calls, sir. I'll make some calls.
That's
what I can. I'll get back to you, sir.
That's okay.
Alright.
That's okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious.
Come, go listen. Come. Hey! My mom before the war. How far now?
Very, very far. 200 miles away.
Are you going out?
No, I'm coming back. Welcome to my palace. Please, what can I offer you?
Easy now. Okombo, I was actually coming to the house to see you.
Obviously, I know. Nah, I know. What is it that you want to tell me that I don't know? Do you know you're a very bad person? In fact, you are badder than the baddest. You could not even allow your friend, your own friend, to rest in the grave. At least get an apartment. Piam! All you could do is to take over his woman. Hi, Nathan Joe.
Kumbo, Why this attack on me now? Why?
Why would I attack you? Why? Just give me one reason why I will not attack you. But no problem. It's taken. If we were to go, Kamamo Yojugafo. But please, it's none of my business. My way, the day you will die, nobody will cry for you. Come on.
I said you're not getting away from me this time. Where do you think you're going? You're not going. I said you're not moving. You are not moving.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to get my daughter out of that cell. I warned you in the first place not to send her to the village. She would have served her punishment right here in the city. Now see where your decision has gotten us.
You want to tell me how to discipline my daughter? In my house? You are ridiculous.
No, you are. And selfish too. Now let me tell you. I am giving you 3 days to bring my daughter back to this house. 3 days to bring my daughter without any scratch. Else, this house will not contain both of us. Nonsense.
Good afternoon, young ladies.
Good afternoon, sir. Good day, sir.
We are from the first headquarters. Detective Okoro, is it General? No, it's okay. We were told that one Nkechi Olise used to come around here. Is that true?
Me? What did I do? What did I do?
I'm afraid, Miss Nkechi, you have to come with us to the station for the murder of one Chikere.
But you people already have the suspect in your custody already.
No, come on. We don't want to create a scene here. See, young lady, you had him?
Sir,
you have to come to the station with us.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do
anything. Let me tell you something. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Is that okay? Now, get out.
Young lady, I don't want to use force on you. Are you hearing me? I don't want to use force on you. Now move it.
Let's go.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this. Obonye kamu mejoro. Ewa chuku batara mosele maka.
Are you see?
Officer, I have told you everything you need to know. Yes, I have.
You killed him, right? You killed him.
Officer,
Let me tell you, you are going to rot in jail.
Officer, you promised to let me go if I tell you everything. Officer, it was Nkechi. It was Nkechi that...
Hey! I am not done with you yet. Are you ready to speak now?
Yes.
Good. Speak.
I will say everything.
Good. What I want to hear is the truth. The whole truth. And nothing but the truth. But if you say anything on the contrary, we will start the drill all over again. I know how it is. No, it's okay. Just speak the truth. Go ahead.
I'll say the truth. I'll say everything.
Good. Shoot it now. Let me hear you.
She carries every woman's dream. Handsome, kind,
strong and good looking.
What were you doing with him? Eh? And what were you doing with him? Have you lost your senses?
I was only trying to help you. I just to make you happy.
And who asked for your help? Who asked for your help? I only stepped out to ease myself. The next thing, you moved to dance with my man.
No, you're my friend. I can never try to take your man.
Liar. Listen and listen very good. I don't want to ever see you around Chike again. He belongs to me and me alone. If you're looking for a man to dance with, go get yourself a man. I mean, how could I have forgotten that no man would want to have anything to do with a loser like you? Listen, I don't want to ever see you around him again. Did you understand me? Rubbish.
Her words struck me painfully. I wanted to prove her wrong, and then I began to devise a means of how to get Shikiri.
Who can understand? The heart is like a forest, many things living in it, the good and bad, love.
I thought you were done for the day.
Oh no, this is actually the best time to set trap for the fishes. Yes, I should have done this earlier, but Nneka asked me to do something for her, so I'm doing it now. And that reminds me, I've never seen you here to fetch water.
I fetch water wherever I choose.
Okay.
Come and help me with this.
Huh?
Just help me with this, please.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, thank you.
What did you just do?
What is it?
Oh, why did you do it?
Why are you acting as if you're not a man? Listen. I care about you so much. I have feelings for you.
What are you talking about? How can you have feelings for me? I belong to your friend. You know Nneka and I have something going, and she's your friend. And
I want us to be together.
We cannot be together. I'll tell Nneka the kind of friend you are. Stay away from me. Now I know why you came here to fetch water.
He bruised my ego. And worse, He threatened to report me to that necker. That was when I made this decision to do this to him. It's okay.
So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. Just be careful. Life is so mysterious. Be cautious of life. So mysterious.
You're a professional. Make him disappear.
Arabam, make you send your boys, meet a killer. And after killing him, they should bury him and leave no trace. You know? Kill him out like say nothing happened. You understand?
I beg, we don't talk too much for you. I don't already tell you my price. Give me part payments now. If my boys finish the job, you give me my balance.
This is 50,000 naira. When you're done with the job, you'll get your balance.
I know. We're going to the match, no worry. As for the job, I don't deliver finish. You hear?
My guy.
I'm gonna go now.
My guy. But most step. You know.
I need you to do a clean job.
Babe, I beg, don't talk too much. I don't finish, I'm already. You don't trust me, when make you come here. But one on the match, many people don't come there.
One love, babe, most step. One love, man.
Is that? Okay, no problem. I'm not done with you though. Oh, it's okay. No, it's okay.
I should have known that you were the green snake in the green grass. How could you do a horrible thing like this?
It was the devil. I wanted to get back at you for saying that no man would ever want me.
I didn't mean that. I didn't mean it. I said it out of anger.
Yes, but you said it anyway. All you've ever made me to feel is as if I can never measure up to your standard. Even though all I've ever done was worship the very ground that you step on. You never even...
Did you have to kill Chikere because of that? Your anger was on me and not him. You should have killed me instead of hurting him.
You hurt me first. You put me in this position that I'm in today. And I regret ever being friends with you. Don't even walk! Forgive me the more!
Hey. You cannot go. And young lady, back to the cell. Stand up.
Jokes apart.
Hey.
Wait, I'll be doing it for you now.
Mama, you're pampering me too much.
Wait, homie. What is the whole idea? When you come inside, you lock my door.
Sit down.
No. I need to go home early. Very soon my mother will be looking out for me. So what do you say? I'm really, really sorry for saying all those things to you.
It's alright. The most important thing is that I am free. The worst thing that can happen to anybody is to be locked up, where you're never allowed to speak to anybody, do or eat whatever you wish to eat. My dear, freedom is power. Once you're free, you can explore. You can fly high to any length, to anywhere you want to.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad.
Thank you for coming.
No, thank you for listening to me.
The heart of man. You cannot define. It has many faces. You cannot define. Life is deeper with many angles. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melune chea. Obi mada joka. Sochi.
Are you sure you will come with us for maybe 1 month?
Hey, 1 month, Uche. Who will take care of my farm? Eh? Mary is now okay and free. Naban.
After all this problem, I promised myself I will never ever argue nor disrespect you again.
Oh my God, that's good.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Detective, how may I help you?
I'm afraid, sir, there has been a development in the murder case.
Detective, I don't understand. Mama, am I under arrest? I thought you set me free. I thought you said I should go. As you can see, I'm ready to go back to my life. What is going on? Mama, Dad, say something.
No, you have to calm down, understand? We're not here to arrest you.
Thank God.
Mrs. Camelia Odogu, you are under arrest.
My mother? Officer, I hope you know what you're doing.
I'm afraid, madam, you have to come with us.
Hold on for a second, officer. Did someone pay you to harass my family? It was my daughter, now my mother.
Come on, Chief Odogu, nobody paid us anything. But there are things you do not know about. A lot of them.
Then it is your job. Tell me, is there anything I'm missing?
Who is he?
Your grandmother here can tell better who he is.
Grandma, do you know him? I mean, what are they talking about?
Okay, to cut the long story short, this young man here was arrested alongside his gang members and they volunteered a confessional statement. They said that your mother, your grandmother, paid them to assassinate one Chikere.
Is this true?
Yes, that's true.
You will not understand.
You will not understand what I will do to you.
Lele. Eh? What can you do if Onuga cannot target? Onuga cannot target. Eh? If Onuga, I will twist it. I will twist it.
Mama Odogu, you will not understand what I will do.
What can you do?
Right. Hey, what do you want? Yeah.
If I get up from it, okay. No, don't hold me.
Mama,
don't shut. Nobody hold me. Let me give you something. Leave me alone. I want to beat this. Okay. Come, I will so do it. Because I allowed you to throw me on the ground. Okay? You will see. That matter. Let nobody hold me. Let nobody hold me. Okay? No. It's okay. Okay? It's okay. Okay? It's okay now. It's okay. I will show you. Let me give you a shot.
Mother, how are you?
I'm fine.
Longest time.
Yeah, I'm not sick.
Where have you been?
I traveled. Yeah, but I just came back yesterday.
Hey, I don't know where she's coming from.
You're asking me. You ask question you already know the answer to.
Hey, Okunoka. Let her good job, my dear. So, how is business now?
Fine. Yeah.
I really missed you.
Yeah, I miss you too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, why now? I know that is my son. Hey, you really have luck. Hey.
And hate, only God knows and understands the heart of man.
Hey, Namo, Papa, what were you doing inside? You have entered the house.
Mama, we have already checked and you're not there.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
No.
Yes,
No.
Yes,
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Mama, I just wanted to spring you a surprise.
Chai.
Mama?
Eh?
What is this?
Oh, okay.
You roll yourself on the sand?
No. Sand. No. Oh, okay. Maybe it was the firewood I bought that I brought home before I left again.
Firewood. Mama, you and this your firewood always.
Hey, we have a visitor.
Yes, ma.
Okay. No.
Thank you, ma.
Ma, let's go in.
But only for the just say it.
Mama. This is Angela, ma.
Okay.
It's a girl I've chosen to marry.
Oh, Papa.
Mama.
Now my son is ready to give me a grandchild. No.
And Mama,
yes,
she's from this our village. She's from this village.
Yes. My dear,
yes,
who is your father?
My father is Uche, Nathan Ejofo.
Mama, are you alright? Mama? What? But Mama, I've already proposed to Angela. Why don't you like her?
Because I don't like her. I carried you in this my womb for 9 months. I gave birth to you. If Allah give me too, I don't like her.
Mama, this is emotional blackmail. What has carried me home for 9 months got to do with my marriage to Angela?
Ajuju, question. Ask me number 2.
Mama, there is something to know about Angela. She
is one person you will never marry. I am your mother. If you like, go against my orders.
Mama, chekwa ye cheo. I must marry Angela. I will marry her. Carry me in your womb.
What have you come to do in my house?
Mama Odogun, our differences shouldn't come between our children. Please, I want you to bless your son's marriage.
Mo? Hey! Oh. Now you want me to bless their union. after what you did to me. I will not. I will not give you and your daughter that satisfaction. And trust me, your daughter will hold you responsible for it.
I will not bend down and beg you. If you want, take your son and I take my daughter. But I promise you one thing, we'll be stronger and better. And my daughter will find a man who will marry her.
Gabano. Gaba.
Have you recovered from the beating I gave you last time?
Because look at her. No pride though. No pride. After come everything all come. You want me to bless their union? No. I will not. I will never. You have made your bed with your daughter. Both of you should go and lie like that.
Mama, please, I beg you on behalf of my mother, in whichever way she has wronged you, please, forgive her and bless our marriage.
I don't have a problem with you. Who I have issues with is your mother. She is very proud. Mother must come here.
Mama, must she come?
Must she come? Eh? That's why you people have issues.
Her daughter is here. She has already represented her mother here.
As a non-child representative, Mother must come and kneel down before me. That is why you enter trouble all the time.
Mama, I want to marry her.
I'm not against your marriage. But if Mother does not come and kneel before me, there is no marriage. I'm not holding your marriage. It's your mother that is holding it. Kedu?
Hi, can see I'm fine.
This one you're smiling like this. Ebekis.
It's your first compound, of course.
Mother Ungo?
No, huh? Mpan to fear. Huh? Angela, it's your first daughter just gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. Hey, thank God. Thank God.
Hey, thank God though. Thank God though for the baby.
Yes.
But is she married now?
Married? For real? No. In fact, nobody will say anything. You know all these Lagos girls with their unwanted pregnancies.
Okay, Fo. I
know.
I'll be on my way now. I'm going home.
Okay.
I'm coming from church.
Okay. See you later.
Hey,
let me go and buy something here.
Okay.
Hey!
Thank God though. Who I forgot that Mama Ejiofor planned everything out. Something tells me that that baby is my son's son. Now my grandchild. Hey. Let me not see that baby anywhere close to my family. If not, Madu.
Mama, how can you be this wicked?
You mean Chikere is my brother?
How can you continue to be a grudge for a long time like this, Mama?
I'm afraid, madam, you're under arrest. Take her.
The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper. You cannot define.
What a disgrace! Hi. Oh.
Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, Nkonye melune chea. She Mariah. Life is deeper. You cannot define it. It has many faces. You cannot define. Life is deeper. With many angles. Life is deeper. You cannot define. It has many angles. With many faces. Life is deeper. Life is deeper.
Please. You are dead. If you come close, I will use this knife and kill you the second time. Don't go close.
Can you stop, Okombo? I'm alive.
You're not alive. You can't make those that killed you now. Am I the person that killed you? Don't come and disturb me now.
Okombo, I'm alive. Flesh and blood.
No, God, please, I use Holy Ghost fire. I pant you. I fire you with Holy Ghost fire. You will not make it to this life again. You are not alive.
Can you stop, Okombo? You can feel my palm.
So feel it. I don't want to feel it. Don't show your hand. Please, no.
I'm alive, Okombo.
Put your hand outside. Hey. You're alive.
I'm alive, Okombo.
You are dead. I thought you are dead too. Imagine I get it. I missed you.
Miss you too, Okombo.
Are you sure? Come to Daddy. Look at you. Seriously, I missed you.
miss you too. It's good to be back.
Please, I beg you, don't kill me, please. Have mercy on me. I am my mother's only. Please, don't.
They talk, they follow us.
No!
This say we come here to come joke with you. Now listen, one more word from you. If I hear pim from you again, I swear, I go ban you. In fact, lie down.
Please.
Lie down!
Oh, please.
Guy, let's kill this guy and move on.
Don't kill me.
Drop your weapon. Anything you do or say will be used against you in the court of law.
Shut up! Fool!
Please, don't kill me.
Maybe I tell you say this road we will follow no lead well. Shit! Guy, free me. I take no say that this road no go well.
They just escape these people.
Nah, no go agree. You know say they don't pay us for this work. I no go agree make this work kaput. You know what will happen? We go back, they go finish that guy. They hear me so. They feel me.
You guys don't escape.
This place no go well. Let's move. Shot the wrong guy, man.
Let's leave before the villagers come and catch us. Come on, let's go. Let's go, man. Come on, let's go.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this.
Till now, I don't know why that woman wants me there. I never offended her in any way.
You're right, though. The truth is that one of them was captured and he confessed that they are the people that kidnapped you and killed you. See, let me tell you, Chikere, you need to speak to Mary at once.
Mary believes I'm dead.
See, you love her. Go and talk to her. Take your chance. Now the coast is very, very clear.
That would require me going to the city.
Stop giving excuses. If it needs you going to the city, move. Go there. We're talking about love. You get the point?
I get the point.
My word. Wow. It's okay. Don't put your leg this way. Hey, you don't do it, I bring my chair. At least you can now afford fish for long. So this is the best thing I have. My grandmother, I need that. You can go forward, give me once. Daddy, how are you? Very necessary. Look. Go on. Water me to you. Wait. Let's see what you do there.
How are you feeling now? I feel cold. Please, get me hot water. Might be of help. You want me to get you hot water? Don't worry, Mama. I'll get it. You'll be fine here. Nothing will happen to you. Don't worry. Come here.
Emejoromonye. Emejoromonye. Onye ka mejoro biko gwanume.
No, don't come. Don't come close to me. You are dead. Don't come, please. You are dead. Jesus. No, please don't come to us, please. Don't come to us. Stay there.
Mama, I'm alive.
I don't believe you. Come here. I don't believe you. Hey. He's alive. He's alive, Brother, are you alive?
Ikola pumo. Ojuwa kukomada. Olisa batala mosenye maka. Emejoromonye. Emejoromonye. Emejoromonye.
Uche, thank you so much. Thank you for everything. You really tried your best.
Here, all thanks should be directed to God. Thank God it has finally ended.
Yes, I know. But that was my most horrid experience. I mean, how would someone accuse me of taking another person's life?
I understand how you feel. The most important thing now is you're free. You've been vindicated. The truth of the matter is you were in the wrong place at the wrong time. How on earth could I have imagined that your grandmother could hurt a fly?
Well, I'm not a better judge. I just hope she comes out of this.
Well, thank God it's all over now. Thank God for everything. You see, Mary, there is something I've been longing to tell you. I know it's not the right time, not the right place, but I can't continue keeping it in my heart.
Richie, what is it you want to say to me?
Will you marry me?
Richard.
Please just say yes. All I want to hear from you is yes. I have daydreamed it. I have imagined it. Please, I want you to spend the rest of your life with me. I want you to be the mother of my children. I want to wake up in the morning and see you beside me. I want to see you put your head on my chest. I want to love you to the end of the time.
Yes!
Please.
Yes, I'll marry you.
Did you just say yes?
Yes.
I will love you to the end of time. I'll cherish you and I'll adore you.
We go through processes for a change in life.
This is so beautiful.
We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise.
Oh, honey, I know you're worried about everything that happened.
Yes. I feel so ashamed. How could my mother do this to her son and grandson? She's even here to tell us what transpired between her and Angela's mother.
Oh, come on, dear. That is women affairs. We should be more concerned in trying to release her from detention.
What will suggest that? My mother committed a crime and she's paying for it. She's paying for the crime she committed.
Yes, she did. But the policemen said that the men hired didn't kill your son. So he's alive somewhere. I hope someday there will be proof.
But how can I even stand to look at my mother's face again? Eh? After what she made our daughter pass through. Our daughter passed through humiliation and torture.
Come on, dear. Stop dwelling in the past. Our daughter has equally moved on. It is time to forgive your mother and move on too. Okay, honey? Darling, that's okay.
It's okay.
All right. I'll be waiting for you in the bedroom. Please, don't be long.
And that was how it happened. I was lucky to have escaped.
My son, I'm not just lucky. The God I serve and pray to saved you. I've been praying for death to take me, but death refused to take me. I thank God that I'm alive today to see you. Brother, why didn't you come back that same day?
I needed to lie low. I don't know who was after my life.
The body that was buried in this compound. Who was he?
Okwe.
Who is Okwe?
My customer. Unfortunately for Okwe, he was there at that time. He took the bullet that was meant for me. After now, go see his people. I'll tell them what happened to Okwe.
Joa. My son, it's well, no go.
Onye ka mejọrọ biko gwanume. I'm yet to understand.
I'm happy you came. Welcome.
Uncle, I don't understand.
We need to cleanse the compound to avert any evil consequences that might befall us, as a result of your returning,
Uncle can't it wait. I have to go to the city and return.
My son, a stitch in time saves 9. My son, we have to start now.
to avert any evil consequence. Have you contacted the family of the man that was mistaken for you?
I've sent words across to them. But Uncle, how soon can we perform these rituals?
As soon as possible. I will consult you today. And then I'll proceed to gather the necessary materials for the ritual.
Okay.
I'm happy you came back alive, strong and healthy. No.
Uncle, I'll be going home now.
It's okay. I'll join you soon. I'll be there. Let me finish with this little...
All right,
I'll meet you. The heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things live in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper. You cannot define.
Very wicked. And thank God at least Chikere is alive to tell the story. See, I know the God has helped me. In the Bible, and I know my flow of fish will never end. I'm telling you. I will continue eating fish.
Confucianist. Confucianist. You and fish. No good at forget. See your tummy, no good at forget. Urini.
Orachofe. No, wait. Come to think of it. I have noticed this thing. Why are you always jealous each time we talk about Chikere? Are you jealous of him?
Why should I be jealous of him? Why? What for? Tell me. Is he more successful than me? Is he?
Okay, have you seen a bad-headed man that is a rich man before? It's never possible. Look at those people that have money. Look at Otedola. He has hair. Look at Dangote. Innocent has hairs too. Peter Obi has hair. Then if you come down to poor people that don't have hair, you'll be hearing their names. Very annoying. You hear people like Malefe, Egano, people like you now. You are suffering.
You've seen the first bad-headed man that is rich. That is me.
God forbid that you get money. God forbid. You will not get money anything.
You look at yourself. Hey. You've even lost your location. We are not going this direction. We are heading towards this direction. This way, my friend.
Yeah, at least it's something that calls for celebration. Any road you want us to take, we'll take.
How you cause for celebration? My friend, let us go. Idiot. Come ballistic, come.
See, you see me looking at me presently.
You know what I'm seeing? Poor man. Let's go. Let's go, poor man.
I've given my life to Christ. If not, I'll show you my worldly self.
It's not been easy for me, Mama. Every time I close my eyes, I still see them pointing a gun at me.
God forbid.
I've not been able to get it off my mind.
My son, God has set you free. And you are free forever. Kamchukwage, do you know what I passed through? Do you know what I went through? Huh? I almost died.
You will live. You will see your children's children.
Brother, are you still going to the city?
City what? You want to kill me? I know that you want to kill me.
No,
Mama,
stop.
So why do you want to go back to the city? Why?
Mama, look at me. I assure you I'll go and come back. Mary has to know that I'm alive.
Mary, what? Is it necessary? It's not necessary now. Biko no.
Mama, I need to go to the city. And I'll show you one thing, I'll come back. I'll come back.
Be very careful though.
Nothing will happen.
It's a good idea. He needs to go and apologize to Mary. She was accused wrongly. I would have loved to go and apologize with my brother self.
But I don't buy the idea. Biko no one, Biko guano. Please be very careful.
I'll be careful.
Don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me.
Say hello. Oh, I feel one the mura. Say hello. You're free.
The news is everywhere that Chikere is alive. How come? But they buried him in their compound, even though as a native of this village, I was not supposed to see his dead body according to custom and tradition, because he died near the river. But I saw his grave. How come? I don't know what to believe anymore.
What have you come here to do? After betraying me, you come to my house? If you know what is good for you, leave this compound now.
Please, I am sorry. I'm sorry. I know what I did was not expected of a friend. I'm sorry.
Nkechi, you were not just a friend. You were my sister. I mean, how could you do such a thing? How could you hurt someone? It's evil.
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I don't know. I'm sorry. Please.
Nkechi, you betrayed me. You betrayed me. You hurt me. You stabbed me at the back.
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Please. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I've forgiven you. It's okay. It's okay.
I came here to apologize to you and to also tell you that I'll be leaving for the city.
I hope all is well.
Yes, I just need to go.
It's okay. Go well as you go.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Be smooth at times, turns and thistles could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, wherever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so.
I'm very sorry. I should have listened to the voice of reasoning. But I was overwhelmed by the hatred I had for your grandmother. I'm sorry.
Grandma, no.
I'm sorry. Alone be good.
So, she's been my sister all along.
Yes.
How could you keep such a thing away from me? So all this side talks about my parentage is true.
And where is your mother?
She's married. She married a Nigerian who is an ambassador to the United States. She rarely speaks to me. I guess she doesn't want anything to remind her of her past.
You're always welcome back home. This is your home now. I think we should all forget everything that happened and forge ahead.
I think so too. Let's forget everything and move ahead. Especially now that we are preparing for traditional marriage.
Traditional marriage?
So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so.
Yeah, man. Bro, I must confess, very, very brave. A brave man. When I heard the story, ghost pimples took over my skin. I was in your position, I don't think I would have survived it.
Of course you would have survived it. Your instinct would always tell you what to do. So can we just stop talking about me and let's talk about you? How are you planning your marriage?
Oh, yeah. That is a woman's place. At the same time, you know, most times they are the ones doing the preparation. But for me, I've sent the invitation to those people concerned. I've made up my mind to take my wife home. So we're on it.
My sister's lucky to have you. Or should I say you are lucky to have my sister? Better still, you both are lucky to have each other.
Whichever one, yeah, we're both lucky to have each other. Yeah. Every blessed day I keep thanking God for bringing your sister to me. For me meeting her. She's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Wow, I'm so happy I met her.
Wow. Let's toast to a successful
life,
marriage.
Prosperity also. Thank you.
Live simple and careful. Life has a way to favor you.
Why are you even acting like this? Why are you acting like this? If anybody should tell me that you are this hard-hearted, I will never believe. What are you even doing as if I'm asking for a different thing? It's your brother. Give me your brother. Chikere's contact. Let me call him and meet him up. And you're acting as if I'm asking for a different thing altogether.
Okombo,
Okombo, you're right.
I said you should wait for him to come back and give you his contact by himself. You're disturbing me.
No. You are not like this now. Why must you be like this? Is he not your brother again?
Is he not your friend again? Wait for your friend now. Why
are you like this? Why are you like this?
Come on, number. Disturbing me. Okombo, your food is ready.
Mama, how do you actually know that I'm losing weight?
Who doesn't know you in this community? Everybody knows that you like food. Come and eat your food, Joe.
Let me shock you. I'm not hungry. I'm okay.
Do you know what? Now let me tell you. If you don't come, I give you 2 seconds. If I don't see you, I will eat it.
Mama, don't force me. Let it not be as if I want
2 seconds. If I don't see you, I will eat your food.
Mama, I hope it's not the food I want to eat or you want to give to this child they are for me. I watch out one get.
Where the good or bad, Nkonye melune chea, Obi mada joka, Sochi maraya. Life is deeper, you cannot define it. It has many faces, you cannot define. Life is deeper, it's many. Life is deeper.
What is it now? What is it? Mama, don't follow. What is it?
Your house is on fire.
Hey,
Mama, your house is on fire.
Mama.
Also, quite get about the Chapaka.
My repasso. What not stop? No good. I can't me now. Shoes on.
Hey, you see this for pushing me? You don't give birth to another baby. What is wrong with this road today? First one push, second one cutlass. Come on, you're a man. I'm man. I am. Must go through this part.
Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so.
I thought they said our house. Nothing happened to your house. That was the only way I can get Nneka to come back as soon as possible.
Eh? Hey, because let me just go and drink water. My strength is failing me.
I'm sorry,
what kind of a joke?
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
been waiting for you to say this for a very long time now.
Well, let us just say fate has its way on we mortals. The most important thing is that I've said it now. And you are beautiful.
I'm happy you're still alive.
Of course I'm alive. I'm alive for this day. To look into your eyes and tell you how much I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Neka, will you marry me?
What?
My daughter, as our tradition demands, take this drink and show us who's your husband.
Adamu.
Pepe Jos. Iwurole iwalili. Cha nwa. Bia wa ibe bia bi mu mmaya. She's coming. Otogago fa na me bata bego. Bia wannem. Bia ozo dem. Atalugo wanye. Nwa marama. Tomato Jos. Bia. Come to daddy. She's coming.
We go through processes for a change in life. We go through processes for a change in life. Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around. Look the mark you leave behind. Life must give whatever it has for you. Be wise. Learn from this life so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide.
I give you my fatherly blessings.
Say.
You give birth to your children.
Say.
You see your children's children.
Say.
And so shall it remain.
Say.
Yabo bambu.
Be cautious of life, so mysterious. Life is so mysterious.
Honey, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Just nightmare.
Would you want me to get you some water?
No. Don't worry, I will be fine. Just go back to bed. Go to sleep.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay.
Alright, sleep.
I thought you have ended things with Belinda.
To be honest with you, we didn't end it well. I caught her cheating on me and I broke up with her. Yes. Then the next thing, she came to me telling me she's pregnant for me. Of course, I know it wasn't mine.
Maybe she was pregnant before she cheated on you. Who knows?
What is wrong with you? Chinedu, you are so gullible. Listen to me. Belinda was a whore. Breaking up with her was divine. But at the same time, I don't know why I'm still feeling like this.
Okay, why don't you let things go?
Because I don't want any problem between me and my wife.
Come on, man. There's nothing to worry about. Enjoy your marriage and forget the past. Forget her. It's nothing.
Cheers.
Richard.
Sir.
It's thoughtful of you.
Thank you, sir.
America is a good place to raise children. But I prefer Nigeria.
Oh, yeah, you're right, sir. Same here. But sir, I have my reasons. I want to relocate my family to America.
Ha! So I have to fly such long miles to come for Mugo? Not to worry, mother. We will adjust. Like when you visit, you stay for 6 months before you go back.
Exactly.
6 months?
Sorry? Mary, let me see you inside. Excuse me. Excuse us.
Richard, sir.
Okay, madam. Yes. Oh, do you like it? This is beautiful.
No, Mom, no. It's not necessary, please.
No, I mean it. It's from my heart. Please. Take it.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
You are the best mother in the whole world.
I know.
Oh, yep. So, Daddy, you have to go now.
Take care of yourselves.
It's alright.
Please take care of Daddy.
I will. Oh.
Have a safe trip. Oh.
Bye.
Sometimes we meet ups and downs. It calls for a change. When you step, turn around, look the mark. You leave behind. Life must give. best for you. Be wise. Learn from this life so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It could be sloppy. It could be smooth at times. Turns and twists could feel the way. Lessons of life. If you are arrogant, life has a way of changing you. If you live simple and careful, life has a way to favor you. Whichever way you decide to live your life, ever you choose to be, depends on you. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. It is so mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So deep. Life is so mysterious. Life is so slippery. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious. Just be careful. Life is so mysterious. Be cautious of life. So mysterious. Life is so mysterious.
Honey, are you okay? Are you alright?
My God.
Heart is deceitful. Who can understand? The heart is like a forest. Many things living in it. The good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper. You cannot define. It has many faces. You cannot define it. Life is deeper with many angles. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melu nechea. Obi mada joka, sochi maraya. Life is deeper. You cannot define it. It has many faces. You cannot define. Life is deeper with many angles. Life is deeper. You cannot define. It has many angles. With many faces. Life is deeper. Life is deeper with many. Life is deeper. The heart is deceitful. Who can understand. The heart is like a forest, many things living in it, the good and bad, love and hate. Only God knows and understands the heart of man. Life is deeper, you cannot define. It has many faces. Be careful in the journey of life. Life is like a seed. What you sow, you must reap. Whether good or bad, nkonye melu nechea.